Hi everyone, I'm Angela and this is Chris with Rome Elevated. We actually have a pretty nice day here in Indiana. Windy, but it's warm, so we are going to take a little practice run on our new decked system and pack all of our gear inside of it and see if it fits the way we think it will, if it saves space the way we hope it will, and if maybe we need to get some different kind of storage bins. We're going to take all of this and hopefully get it inside of this. Oh, are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're going to start first with packing the drawer again.
All right.
I let Chris handle all the packing because he likes the puzzle aspect of it. And he doesn't like repacking what I've already packed.
That is true. For those of you who don't know.
How cool is that? Somehow we're ending up with more room than the last time we did this. Although we did get a few new gear things to add. That might have helped. That is our 80-quart fridge and freezer. That is a recovery gear bin.
Heavy.
Very heavy. We have our bug out shelter, which I don't think we're going to take on this coming trip.
No, probably not.
And the floor mat for it. And our recovery boards.
For the simplicity of setting up camp.
Well worth it.
Now I don't have to move all kinds of stuff.
So, thoughts?
It's still pretty tight. A little tighter than I hoped.
Yeah.
But we are planning on changing some of the bins around and make them a little bit smaller and make things a little snugger inside there. So we might create a little more room, but not much more room.
And like you said, the simplicity of not carrying out huge heavy bins at camp, well worth it.
Just opening up that drawer
And away
take
we
out
go.
kitchen and relaxation equipment, camping equipment, and we're ready to roll.
And we'll get a better idea on our upcoming trip. We still work for the local school system. So we only have so much time off to be able to explore, and we're in Indiana, so there's not a lot to explore here. But we do have an upcoming spring break trip planned for southern Arizona for 2 full weeks. So we'll definitely test it out and see what changes we need to make or things we need to get or simplify.
Yep.
Because we used to overland in that with a 8-foot bed, which was great for storage, not great for mobility on the mountain roads. And we switched to this, which is only a 5-foot bed.
5-foot bed.
Yeah, so we already condensed quite a bit of our supplies as it is. But
That's why there's an alley cab on here.
Yeah, but we live fully off grid when we travel, so we kind of have to take everything we can.
Yep.
All right, I think that's it for today.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, feel free to like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. As you can see, we have a lot of different equipment, so if you have any questions on anything we have, feel free to put it in the comments below. Have a great day.